Welcome to this 4-bedroom house for sale in Meyersdal Nature Estate, Alberton, Gauteng, South Africa for R6,500,000. This fantastic home is located in Meyersdal Nature Estate. It offers a large open-plan lounge combined dining room that is fully tiled and sunny. The modern open-plan kitchen offers granite countertops with a light wood finish, gas stove with double eye-level oven, space for a double-door fridge, pantry, breakfast counter, separate scullery with double zinc, connections for the washer-dishwasher, plug-ins for all other appliances and ample cupboard space for storage. This home boasts 4 comfortable in-size bedrooms with built-in cupboards and with ensuite bathrooms and private balcony. There is an upstairs pajama lounge. There is an established garden with a heated pool. There is an enclosed patio with built-in brand is tiled. The view of this property is to die for. There are 3 garages and an ample parking space for visitors. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.